Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this rainbow lollipop on Grey Garden. So open up your garden guide, and as you can see, there is a new achievement section, which is the core plants. Achievements for eggs in the egg shop, and there's also achievements for seeds in the seed shop. So if you select explore here, there's the catch 'em all achievements, and common achievements. You'll get some it's called Mega Lollipop, Egg Incubator, Pet Shard Rainbow, which I think is pretty cool. I've done, I guess, some items here. So obtain a giant ant, I can claim that. And then obtain a caterpillar, I can claim that. If you obtain any of the rest, but you need to obtain it like after, I guess, and you'll get Pet Shard Golden, Gold Lollipop, and a pet pouch. So you do need to kind of get eggs again for this because you'll need to open it after you've seen these achievements. So yeah, those are the new kind of achievements that you can do here. There's also this one. I need to give 5 dogs, that's insane. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.